Hello, I'm Fiona and this is Plantily, where we share delicious plant-based recipes. Today I have a quick kitchen hack for you. I'm going to show you how to make garlic paste using only a knife, a cutting board, some salt, and garlic. You may be thinking, Fiona, I have a garlic press. Why do I need to know how to make garlic paste? And there are a few reasons for this. 1, a garlic press is annoying to clean out. 2, garlic presses don't press all the garlic anyways, so you end up having to chop the bits that didn't go through. And 3, garlic presses make garlic that is more like minced garlic. Garlic paste, on the other hand, is great for recipes where the garlic is going to be used raw and you don't want to end up with mouthfuls of raw garlic. An example of where I use garlic paste most would be in salad dressings. It mixes throughout, so you have an even garlic flavor without any super potent garlic mouthfuls. Speaking of salad dressings, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my next video, where I'm going to use this garlic paste to make the best vegan Caesar salad dressing. Without further ado, let's get into how you make garlic paste. First, you're going to start with a knife and cutting board. I would not use a knife that is much smaller than this, but you could definitely go a bit bigger. Then you're going to take your garlic clove and crush it with the side of your knife. It didn't work very well for me because of the angle I was at, but it still loosened the skin. Chop off the tough root end and remove the skin of your garlic clove. Now you're going to cut your garlic clove in half, and that is to check for any green shoots. If it had a green shoot, we'd probably want to remove it because it can be a bit tough to turn into paste. Now we're just going to mince the garlic clove. The next key ingredient is salt, and that's going to work as an abrasive to create the paste. Just add a generous pinch over top of it. Now, with the flat side of the knife, we're going to apply a decent amount of pressure and pull it across the minced garlic. If you look closely, you'll see that the back side of the blade is slightly up, and the front side is where I'm applying most of the pressure. If you're having trouble creating your paste, maybe adjust where the pressure is until it starts to become easy. Continue this process of gathering the garlic back up and then applying pressure until your paste starts to form. As the paste forms, you'll notice that the garlic is becoming more translucent, and then you can just gather it up on your knife and add it to your salad dressing, or mix it with some vegan butter and have it on garlic toast. That's super delicious. I hope you enjoyed that quick kitchen tip. If there's anything else that you want to know how to do in the kitchen, then let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, give it a like, share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.